Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add voiceover in Imovie on Mac. Once in Imovie, all you'll need to do is upload the video that you'd like to add the voiceover to. So for example, let's say I would like to add the voiceover to this video on the timeline. Once you have added the video to the timeline, all you'll need to do is select the video. Then you want to ensure that the cursor is put at placed at the front of the video. Once you have done that, you're going to see a microphone icon appear right here, and you're going to tap on it. After tapping on it, you're going to tap on the red circle right here, or the red dot that says start recording. And from here, once it counts down, you can now start recording your voice over, as you can see right there. And while talking, you can see that it is automatically being recorded, and that's it. So once you're finished recording your voiceover, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on the red dot. Then from there, you can tap on done. And that's it. You have now added your voiceover, as you can see right here. And if it is a case that you would like to increase the volume or edit the audio, all you'll need to do is select the audio, then go to the top of the player right here, tap on volume. Then from here, you can adjust the volume of the audio. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.